Big Sister channel. I'm sick today because last time we do yesterday. Now I'm going to do more.
Yeah. So Big Sister Iris is sick today, so she needs a little bit of medicine called Ewwww or something like that.
Can you open this?
No, I want to see if you can open it. So I'm going to put this right here, and you put it right there. Well, I guess I could just watch like this. Can you open the medicine for me? You did it! Oh my gosh, that's supposed to be childproof. How'd you do that?
I need lemonade first, okay? Just wait. You like my Carly? Show in the camera. It's in the back. You can see in the back some everybody's. And the smile face in it. I draw that smile face. Now we have to wait mommy. Priyank, first, now you can play.
Why are you coughing? Why are you coughing?
I need lemonade. Go first.
물 마셔. 야, 약 먹고 먹어.
One shot. One shot.
꿀까?
One more.
꿀까? 꿀꺽. 꿀꺽 마셔. 꿀꺽. 그 레모네이드 먹을래? 그렇지, 꿀꺽. 이제 또 그냥.
One more shot.
Wait, just a little bit of lemonade.
That's a lot of lemonade. You're drinking more lemonade than all the ocean.
그냥 먹어.
One shot.
한번 쭉.
자,
쭉.
자.
쭉쭉쭉쭉쭉쭉. 옳지, 모아. 꿀꺽.
Now lick the inside with your tongue. No, the inside of the cup. Lick the inside of the cup. Ew. 맛있어?
꿀꺽 마셔.
Okay, I'll go get you some more, okay?
마셔. 꿀꺽.
Let me see. Let me see your mouth. Oh, good
말
boy.
꿀꺽 먹어.
Good girl. High five. All right, I'll go get you some more.